Using information for job decisions. Reflect, decide, and follow up. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of post-interview reflections. After a job interview, it's essential to take a moment and reflect on the experience. Why? So you can make informed decisions about the job opportunity. Let's explore how to use the information you've gathered effectively. Reflecting on your interview helps you understand what went well, what didn't, and where there might be room for improvement. Additionally, it provides you with a clear picture of the job opportunity and helps you decide if it aligns with your career goals. 1. Understanding the company culture. Think about the environment, the people you met, and their behavior. Does it seem like a place where you can grow and be happy? 2. Role clarity. Reflect on the job role discussed. Do you have a clear picture of your responsibilities? 3. Future growth. Consider the potential growth in the role. Were there mentions of training programs, promotions, or lateral movements? Now, it's time to use the information you've gathered. This doesn't just refer to the words spoken during the interview but also to the emotions, vibes, and other non-verbal cues. 1. List down pros and cons. Create a list of what you liked and didn't like about the job role and the company. It's a simple but effective way to visualize where the opportunity stands. 2. Salary and benefits. Reflect on the compensation package. Is it competitive? Does it meet your needs? 3. Work-life balance. Think about the working hours, flexibility, and any other perks that matter to you. Before you make a decision, take a moment to 1. Consult with trusted advisors. Talk to family, friends, mentors, or anyone whose opinion you value. A different perspective might highlight something you missed. 2. Trust your instincts. Sometimes, our gut feeling tells us more than a list of pros and cons. 3. Request a second interview. If you're unsure, it's okay to ask for another meeting. This shows your genuine interest and provides another chance to clarify doubts. Once you've made your decision, 1. Communicate with the company. Whether it's a yes or a no, always get back to the company with your decision. It's professional and courteous. 2. Seek feedback. If you're not taking up the offer, politely ask for feedback. It's a learning opportunity for future interviews. 3. Always be grateful. Remember to thank the interviewer for their time, regardless of your decision. And there you have it. Reflecting on your interview and using that information will always lead you to a more informed decision about your potential job opportunity. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best in your job search journey. Happy learning and reflecting.